Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to add payment method in Bybit. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Bybit, you can use the link down there in the video description below so you can get rewards and discount upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the website, just click buy crypto right here and click P2P tradings. And after you go to the P2P tradings, just find the all merchants in your preferred trading section. So if you want to connect your indirectly connect your payment method, just click all payment methods right here. And as you can see, it shows you all available payment methods that you can use in Bybit. So you can choose whatever you want, and after you click confirm, the merchant all merchants will be refreshed, and the merchant list will show the all merchant list that has your preferred payment method that you choose. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can indirectly connect your payment method. And if you want to actually add your payment method, just go to the P2P user settings right here on the top right corner. And as you can see that you can add your payment method so that you can use it as your default payment methods when trading with merchants. And yeah, that's it. So after choosing your preferred payment method, you just need to input all of your information about that payment methods and just click confirm. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can add your default payment methods on Bybit. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.